cocoa beans so we can make some cookies. And some colored wool. And use this all into ginger wood. I'm gonna make a basic house just for us to live in. So don't mind me if it's too small. I'm gonna upgrade it later on these episodes. Well, I'm gonna make sure to grab some food. I'm not gonna sprint to them because I'm gonna keep throwing some because there's a reason. Chicken, come here. Cow, I need your meat. I need your raw beef. I need your beef. Hit him. Okay. I have food, that's good. A little basic house so we can survive the night. Basics, I'm gonna upgrade later. But this should do it for now. This little house should do it for now. Okay. Then put some extra windows. So right there. This. That. Okay, there we go. I know I've been silent because I like to stop with my life. Yeah. If I'm silent, I'm sorry. I'm perfectly. It's because I always forget that I'm recording, so don't mind me. I really don't have a recording skill because I hate those. I'm gonna plan on doing a farm too. That, I need some more wood. I could have just made my house like oak, but I never used like jungle stuff before. I only use like oak and birch, and basswood and some spruce. I can make some cookies later on if I can get more wheat. I'm gonna make a little farm. But we better hurry up. Where's the sun? You can tell time because of the sun. The sun's over there, so oh shoot, it's about to be nighttime. I'm gonna make a bed so I can skip the night. Sorry, but I have to. I really have to. I need to survive the first night. Level 2 already. I need to survive the first night. I played Minecraft for a good long while, so I might know where stuff is. Gonna build a basic house. I'm gonna make a roof. Stack up. Okay, put that in. Do this block. I fell. Just do it from down here. I'm just do like that. If you're coming out, you gotta make a door. This roof because spiders. This is not gonna be safe. The windows are not even done. I think I'm gonna work for the night. Okay, the roof is done. Yo, where's my crafting table? Where's my crafting table? Oh, there it is. And see that? Furnace there. Put a bed here. Make a door. I'm gonna go cook some food. Put corn here. Cook this food so we can have a bit of light. Oh shoot! It's my turn. Look at this chicken. chest. Okay, let's skip the night. Morning. Okay, I'm gonna probably go get this food was cooking over the night. I'm gonna need that. I wish like how you eat in Pocket Edition. I wish how you eat like by your hand holding like that. It's so weird like in Xbox. There we go. So I'm full. There we go. Whew. Ooh. Did I just see army? I saw iron and coal. I'm gonna need coal. Oh shoot. This is so many iron. So many iron. I think we'll need like... Let me just get it all. I just mine that coal for no reason. Okay, let me just mine this coal because we're gonna need it. And to get experience. I hope we get like an enchantment table later on in these episodes. We're going mining like next episode. Yeah. Grab this. Cool. I wonder why Nox created TNT. That's actually bad for the game. Because when you're creative, you just get TNT and blow stuff up, and I can't get up here. What's in my way? I think I made it into a cave. I'm gonna go a little past where I'm gonna go here next episode, so we can go. Yeah, we got the clean and new tutu. There's sand. Okay, I know. Oh my god, I just done a bigger mistake ever. There's water over there though. Oh my goodness. So I traveled all the way over here for no reason. And there's no water. There's only clay. I don't need a clay. I need, clay for, yeah. But I don't need it right now. Oh my god, I'm such a doofus. Dang. There's a lot of cave around. More iron. Shoot. Let's go grab that iron. Go, but it's me. Ah, no. Attack him. Baby zombie. Don't die. Get it out. Let me get out of here. Let me get out. Bad idea. Come. Stack up. Jesus. Dang. That zombie went at me like a cheetah. Why are baby zombies so fast? Why did Notch did that? Stack up again. I know I could just parkour my way up. Oh wait, I had to get sand. I'm still doing. Kill this cow because I need more food. I have to get more food as I can. I just reached level 4, which is actually good. See, I'm a doofus. There it is, sand. I'm a completely doofus. Okay. Some sand over here. I hope we can find melons because the melons spawn in jungle. Wait, did I just see a dungeon? Is that a dungeon? Is that a dungeon over there? Dang it! I thought it was a dungeon. Dang it. Oh, whatever. think 13. Let's grab like. Okay, that should be enough. I think that should be. Let's go run back home. Get some steak. I'm gonna make a little farm. I'm gonna let the sheep stop running. It was only like on the last few versions, not like 0.13.0 or 0.14.0. You could just walk, not sprint. That was actually kind of bad. Okay, this chop is done. This, I'm gonna cook that iron. I actually need 14 iron. I'm gonna go grab some more wood so I can make a chest. I need to put all these items. I'm gonna make a double chest. I think that should be enough. Yeah, I can make a double chest. Put it here. Put the stuff that I don't need right now. Keep seized away. This. Feather. Sugarcane. Want that sugarcane later. I'm gonna make 2 furnaces, cause oh my god. I'll put okay 1, 2, 3, 4 left. Oh, we just have enough. Okay, I'm gonna put all my food. Okay, let me just access my inventory. I need to cook this raw beef. No, there. I don't need that. Yeah, 1, 2, so 1, 2. So now 1 more. Oh shit, oh shoot. I pressed the wrong place. It doesn't matter. There we go. Put that out. Some food in there. This there. Okay. I only have to do one more thing and that's it. Melt this iron, make an iron chest plate, maybe make a diamond sword or something. I don't know. Okay, so for quick, look at my skin. Look at my skin. Is it perfect? Perfect. Please, Nike. Is it perfect? Copy? Huh? Anyway, cook this iron down. Okay, I think we have to have, I think I have enough, let's have these windows here. Okay, we have enough food just for these nights, okay? I got to put in the iron. We have enough food for these 3 nights, I think. I think we can handle this food for 3 nights, I don't know. I'm gonna go make another furnace.